Good night. My name is Elkin Mauricio Figueroa. This is my identification card. I am an industrial engineer student. I belong the Evaluation and Negotiation of Technology course. And in this opportunity, I present the stage 3 for the course, Technology Value. In the second stage, I present you the evaluation proposition canvas, and based of these propositions, that the product is a web and mobile application for capturing purchase order and managing purchase for use by consumer. Based in these propositions, based to the stage 3. In this stage, a board of the technology evaluation, and I studied for two methods. Income approach method of the real option method calculated by Black-Scholes model. These two methods, each method have a particular conditions. I present you alone some description or short description for the method. In this first case, income approach method, this method is used to calculate the valuation of the licenses technology and determine the appropriate royalty for the licenses. Some advantage for the method: sensitivity analysis, comparability, flexibility, and compatibility with the other valuation method. In this first method, when we apply the mathematical formula, we obtain the result for the approximate element. For the 5 years, 24 miles, 247,942 Colombian pesos in the 5 years. Per year, approximately 400, 4 miles, 849,588 Colombian pesos. In the second method that they present you, the real options of the Black-Scholes model, some descriptions. The real option method is valuation technique to consider flexibility and sometimes the investment decision. When we apply the mathematical formula, the result is in this method, per year is approximately 4,419,300 pesos. For me, the first method present best gross for the valuation of technology, and I decide or I recommend for the development of the technology value use the first method. Thanks for your attention, and good night.